What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Daily Trade. It's Marcel, investor and entrepreneur. Y'all already know what's going on, right? Meta. But before we get into the trade, listen, y'all got to go hit subscribe. I know. I'm not at 500,000, a million yet, but if you've been paying attention, your boy been growing, okay? Like we creeping up there, all right? Itching up there. The goal is to get to the first 1,000. That's the milestone. That's going to be like, all right, now let's kick this thing in overdrive, okay? I'm here because I'm trying to continue giving you guys the anti-gatekeeping strategies, right? There is no secrets over here. I'm putting it all out there for you. If you follow my channel and you implement the stuff, you will make money. You will make money. All right. If you need a little bit more assistance and guidance, or you just want to be in the presence of other people who are doing this exact thing, join the Prosperity Collective. It's a no-brainer. Like, you're not going to find this level of value, this profitability, this consistency for that price. I'm not even going to say the price on here because it's kind of embarrassing. All right. So click the link below if you want to join that. Also, put in the comments if you made money. If I made you some money, drop it in the comments. If I've got you profit, drop it in the comments. If you are satisfied with these videos, let's talk about it in the comments. If you have any questions for me, put it in the comments. All right. Now let's get into it. Meta. Another banger. Y'all know when the market opens up, you know what I'm looking for. It's pretty consistent, right? I call it the layup drill. It's the orb strategy. It's the 15-minute orb strategy. 15-minute opening range breakout. When we get a break of that 15-minute candle, it's game time. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes there's going to be rules that need a little bit of bending. And when you start getting experience on the chart, you start doing this for a little while, you will quickly be able to identify when something needs a little bit of bending. Today, that 15-minute orb strategy, it just needed a little bit of bending. We just had to tweak it a little bit, right? So as you can see right here, I drew the range at 681.17 for the high. I drew the range at 670.43 for the low. That's the first 15-minute candle, all right? So we got our range mapped out for that first 15-minute candle. Second 15-minute candle, it breaks through. Now, here's what I mean about sometimes you got to bend the rules a little bit. When a candle has a lot of volume and a lot of momentum and it's heavy and you know it's breaking through, sometimes it's worth going ahead and taking it right as it breaks through instead of waiting for a 15-minute candle close. Because what happens is sometimes that move will be made early instead of after the close. And when that happens, that's when you're going to see a little bit of a bounce, and it may not get you that 10 to 15%. It's going to give you the 10 to 15% once it breaks through. It doesn't happen like that all the time. This is a rare occurrence, but you got to be good enough to identify that, right? So you got to pay attention to the volume, got to pay attention to the weight of the candle. And as you can see, we entered right here, right when it broke through, right? Right when it broke through, got about 15% out of the deal, bringing, the profits to a little over $300. I'm happy with it. Layup drill. That's what we call it. It's a layup drill. Every single day, this setup works on some stock. Every single day. Now think about this. This little layup drill, this orb strategy, this little easy bucket, it took seconds. 300 something bucks. Do you know what that translates to in a year? That's almost $100,000 a year based on the 22 days of trading that's in a month. That's like 90 something $1,000 a year, just consistently getting that 300 something dollars. You can do this. I promise you can do this. I'm not holding anything back. If you need to learn something, just hit the comments. Ask me. I will tell you. You can go do it. My goal is to get you free. I've been on this, the other side of this microphone. I've been in the office. I've been in various jobs. Been working since I was like 12 years old. And I realized like, nah, it's nothing like doing things on your terms. It's nothing like being able to make the money quick and then being able to spend your day the way that you want to spend it. Today wasn't the greatest day. I had to go get my mom from the emergency room. She had a little nerve damage. Not the greatest thing, but I was able to do it, right? I had the freedom to be able to do that. I didn't have to call somebody and be like, hey, something's going on. It's just like, nah, I put down what I was doing and I went and did it, right? Time freedom. That's what it's all about. All right. I love you guys so much. Look, again, subscribe. Go tell a friend. Matter of fact, share this video with somebody and let them know, like, okay, I see you working. Try to implement this and replace your income on a daily basis. If you go watch my videos, I promise you, you go get in the group, I promise you, at this super low price, I promise you, you will be profitable, right? We were just shouting out the group today about how much money they made last week. It's unreal, the growth that they're having, right? All right. I don't really have anything else to say. I could talk all day, but yeah, in a nutshell, we killed Meta. Like Palantir and Hut 8 too. That was on the lunch menu. Like I swung that. I called that in the group. You know, we woke up to it being up like 18%. Like, you know, people are doubling their money overnight. It's ridiculous, man. I don't know what else to tell you guys.